Sabot day kag Bisaya day?
Yate mga.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello, where are you from, lady?
Um, Philippines. Are you from other country?
Yeah, can you guess where I came from?
India.
How did you get it in a one try? You're amazing.
Are you sure?
Yeah. How did you know?
I don't know. Your appearance like it's like in India.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm speechless right now. You're so good in guessing. Yeah.
Di nga.
Yeah. Where are you from, by the way? Like the place where you live. No, I mean the
Philippines.
province.
Leyte.
Oh, okay. Bisaya, di ka kasabot pag Bisaya.
Oh, kasabot mo ko Bisaya. Bisaya mo ko.
Oh, parehata Bisaya. Magtagalog yun, ma'am.
Ilad mo ka, uy. Nga-enjoy ang mata.
Hinjay mong mata.
Wala mo pagkagtag Indiano, good?
India imong mata. I like it. Anyway,
Abi na kung taga-India juga mapiste, makuhan juga niya, mahalos blade juga niya, Pag-upa na yun akong live ni, na-prank na ko largo.
well, that's what makes it amazing, you know? It's unforgettable.
Yeah.
Exactly, yeah.
Golden
Yan-
Stream may mag-join kuya ko.
Okay. Ay, my pick-up lines yan, no? Welcome to my life. I mean live. Brother, hello, brother.
Ay, papasokin ko yung account ko dito.
What do you mean? I don't get it, brother. You need to explain it in English, brother.
Oh, sus, English speaking mo ngayon ini. Dire may streamer, bago pa man siya.
Yeah, I'm new, brother. Yeah.
India.
Yeah, India, brother. I'm India. Brother, alright, tell me, what is your name of your page, brother? Maybe you are famous, man.
No famous. Rex
No famous.
streamer, no famous. Rex not
Streamer. What does the streamer do? Like, you get money from it? How do you get money in streaming?
Ano? Ano? Live.
Live. Okay. That's cool. I wanna do stream. Can you help me in that? We can do stream together.
Yeah.
Right now, Drex, I want you to promote your page. We have like 80 people watching right now, real time.
Okay. Bisaya, Bohol. Your comment. Bisaya, Bohol. Bisaya, I speak Tagalog.
What do you mean? You Tagalog?
Yes, speak Tagalog. Rex is not understand English because
What do
Rex is not schooling.
Me too. I know schooling.
Talk Tagalog because I can't understand English.
How about Bisaya? Do you understand Bisaya?
Bisaya, understand Bisaya? You?
You. I want you.
Bisaya.
Okay. Kasabot day kag Bisaya day?
Yate mga. Ikaw banga ka. Gibinoangan suko sa igsoon ingan ka. Ingan siya. Oy, India. Bisaya man ikap.